If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Dodge Journey Crossroad in Contusion Blue. With halogen quad headlamps, fog lamps, 19-inch black noise aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, platinum chrome side roof rails, black tail lamp bezels, a power 6-way driver's seat, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 22,000 miles on the odometer, an 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, a rear backup camera, 3-zone temperature control, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, second row in-floor storage bins, third row 50/50 fold and reclining seat, a power sunroof, all powered by a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5051B.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.